Don't you make me tell you again. Yes, that's right. Back into your cage. Now think about what you've done. Okay, so are we done? Because I've got some things I need to, Yep, see you tomorrow. I left my axe back in the ring. You guys go on ahead. I'll catch up with you.
Meet the Terrible Terror. It's like the size of...
Oh, get it off! Oh, I am very much hurt.
Wow, he's better than you ever were.